Hey guys, what's up? You guys probably know who I am by now if you're watching this video. If you don't, my name is Gabe and this is Games with Gabe. And today I just want to do a few different things in this video. First of all, I'd like to say thank you for everyone who has subscribed. Second of all, I want to talk about the channel's future. Third, I want to talk about any other possible forums that you guys want to meet on. There's been a lot of discussion about Discord, for example, in the comments. And fourthly, I want to just ask you guys what you think the channel should be like in the future. First of all, thank you. I cannot express the gratitude that I feel for every single one of you guys who have subscribed, and I'm really just thankful. Thanks to those of you who have stuck with the channel since the beginning, you know who you are. And thank you to everyone who has recently subscribed, because that is just as helpful. So real quick, I just want to talk about the channel's future and where I think it's going and what I think it's gonna look like for those of you who are subscribed, and hopefully it won't disappoint you too much, but I'm probably gonna be releasing less frequently. Now, I don't plan on stopping releasing videos and stopping the tutorial series that I have going on, but with work and with burnout, which I've been experiencing very recently, it's just become too much for me and I just have to cut back a little bit. So you can expect 1 or 2 videos a week, maybe, possibly more like 1 or 2 videos every 2 weeks or so. It's just because I've been taking on a little bit too much and it's getting to me now. So I'm sorry about that, but hopefully it's not too much of a letdown. Second of all, what is the future videos going to look like? What are we going to be doing? Well, first of all, we're going to be continuing the 2D game engine series, right? I want to continue that series and get it to a little bit more of a solid completion point, right? It's capable of a lot of things right now, but it's not really capable of making a full game. And I want to get it to that point so that you guys can use the engine and so that you can hopefully expand on the engine and tweak it to your needs and hopefully create some cool games with it. So for that, we need to get font rendering done. We also need to get the physics completely integrated. We need to get some sort of script system, and I have to show you guys how to export the games and animations. So we still have quite a few things to do, and hopefully lighting too, because lighting would be cool to do, 2D lighting. And so those are just some of the things that I want to explore and get done, and hopefully we can get those done pretty soon. Another series that I've been thinking about starting recently, and I think you guys would enjoy, is how to code Minecraft. And I don't know if I would be doing this in C++ or in Java. If I did it in C++, I would want to do a different series first, which is how to code in C++ for Java developers. Now, the reason the C++ for Java developers would be different than, say, the Cherno series is because unlike the Cherno, I'm not going to be taking you from the beginning as if you don't know how to code. Instead, I'd be taking you from the beginning of C++, thinking that you already know how to code, because I know you guys already know how to code since you've been following these series. And so hopefully it would move a little bit quicker, and I could show you just the commonalities and then how to make that transition from thinking in a Java mindset to thinking in a C++ mindset. That's probably distant future because we still need to get done with the 2D game engine and the 2D physics engine series. Really quickly, I also want to discuss other possible forums for you guys to meet. So typically I'll get a lot of questions in the YouTube comments, and sometimes I can't answer those immediately. And I think you guys have been hinting at this because I've had a lot of questions about starting a Discord. I sent out a survey quite a few months ago, and the response was not very overwhelming, so I didn't start a Discord server then because it would just create too much of a hassle for me to also manage that with not enough people interested. So inside of the description, there is a link to a Discord survey to see how many of you are interested. If I get at least 200 people who are interested in starting a Discord server, we will start one. But I need at least 200, okay? And that's also just gonna have a couple other questions that you can answer or you can skip. Just yes or no, Discord server. That's all I need to know. So it should take you like 2 seconds. And then if you want to leave some other feedback, you can. If you don't, it doesn't matter. Inside that survey, I'm also going to ask you guys if you want any other type of social media, and then you can sort of leave suggestions, and I'll put a few up there that I think you may or may not like. I don't know. I'm not big into social media, so we'll see about that. Okay, lastly, I just want to ask you guys, what do you think? What do you think of the channel? What has the channel helped you to accomplish? Please leave comments, because I want to know how you guys are using the channel, where it's helping you the most. I want to know what level of programming experience you guys are at, because if this channel is just sort of something that you watch for entertainment, that's helpful. If this is something you're learning from, that's also helpful. I want to know what you guys are using this channel for. Please leave comments, and then also let me know what you think this channel would be good for. Let me know what you think we can do to make this channel more useful for you guys. Because if the 2D game engine series just isn't that helpful, then let me know that. If it is the most helpful thing on here, then let me know that too, so that I can continue to put more effort into that rather than into other things that I have been doing in the past. Lastly, I just want to say thank you once again. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and hopefully the channel will continue to grow and I will continue to release content that you guys enjoy. Hopefully that's true. That's about all I have for today, guys. I will be releasing a video pretty soon about solid programming, SOLID, and why I think it stinks. So stay tuned for that. And then I'll also be continuing the 2D game engine series in the future as well. So thank you guys. See ya.